Hello and welcome to The Fusion Theory. This is Tanushree. For those of you who don't know me personally, must be familiar with my voice. Now, I prefer to be behind the camera, but this is the first time I'm coming in front of it. Now, there's a reason behind it. Now, the reason is a video. A video went viral a few days back about a certain street food vendor called Baba Ka Dhaba. A YouTube channel called Swad Official showcased a video about the struggle of an octogenarian couple due to the lack of customers since the COVID 19 lockdown at their food stall named Baba Ka Dhaba. Now, this story has grabbed a lot of attention thanks to the effort of the food blogger, but it is practically not possible for every YouTuber or influencer to reach out to each and everyone and get a story done. In fact, looking at the current scenario at Baba Ka Dhaba, it has become more of a hotspot for selfie seekers, battleground for brand endorsements, and everyone who's trying to get their share of 2 minutes of fame. No doubt, Baba Ka Dhaba is a story of struggle just like millions of others. And as much happy as I am that somewhere the story has brought in few positive changes into their lives, but the fact remains that it is definitely not going to solve the problem for everyone. If we really want to do something good, which I'm sure we all want to, we must all come together and support local businesses in every small way possible. Like our Prime Minister said, go vocal for the local. And for that, you don't need to be a YouTuber or an influencer. All you have to do is that the next time you go shopping, buy local ingredients from local businesses. Even at The Fusion Theory, I always try to cover both traditional recipes made using local produce and fusion recipes that are created, again, using local ingredients, of course, keeping international recipes in mind. So go vocal for local, because when you buy local, you help local farmers grow, help local businesses grow, and in return, you help your economy grow and also your country. So get ready and take the first step. So next time, if you want to make corn cheese balls, instead of going to your supermarket, try out Paniyaram corn cheese balls made out of good old idli batter. Or if you are craving for something spicy, ditch the noodles for once and try giving the local dhokla a spicy makeover using homemade Szechuan sauce. And for the recipes, Fusion theory hai na? So if you agree with me that we must all come together to support local businesses as much as possible, then please do share this video with others so that before appreciating the international foreign products, we appreciate our local products first. And for that, let's begin with our kitchens. So twist the recipes, try to give it your unique touch, and even if you're cooking something international, try to bring in as much local ingredients possible and basically Indianize the international. And if you need any kind of help, then The Fusion Theory is forever there, just like today's recipe. So today's recipe is a very international recipe with Indian touch, and it is Bangan Bharta burger. So basically it's a burger which has all desi components inside. So we have a crispy eggplant patty in the middle, and also we have a spicy Szechuan sauce infused bharta, and on top of it we are going to have a delicious creamy Bhurani raita inspired mayo sauce. So if that sounds exciting to you, then don't forget to subscribe to The Fusion Theory, because here we bring you such amazing internationally inspired Indian recipes, or fusion recipes in short. Now let's get started. So for making the Bangan Bharta burger, we would need Bangan Bharta. Obviously, here I have taken half a cup of Bangan Bharta. Into it, I'm going to mix 2 tablespoons of Szechuan chutney. Now this Szechuan chutney is homemade. So if you want the recipe, I'm giving a link in the info button and one in the description box, so you can check it out. Also, this Bangan Bharta is homemade with a little twist. So if you want to know how I make Bangan Bharta, then you can check out the link in the description box as well. So our first component, that is the Szechuan chutney infused Bangan Bharta, is ready. Now let's move towards the next one. So our next ingredient is Bhurani raita inspired mayo sauce. For that, here I have taken curd and I have drained out the excess water. So I have got hung curd. So here I have taken 4 tablespoons of hung curd. Into it, I am going to add 4 cloves of garlic that I have crushed. Next goes our mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons, black salt, half teaspoon, roasted cumin powder, half teaspoon, salt to taste, juice of half a lemon. Now mix everything together. A Bhurani Raita is more dominant on garlicky flavor along with mint. So here we have tried to combine that flavor into a mayo sauce. So next I'm going to add mint powder, half teaspoon. Mix it. And sugar, 1/4 teaspoon. So mix everything together and refrigerate until we move towards making the next ingredient. So next ingredient is the burger patty. Of course, a crispy eggplant patty that goes into the middle. So for that, I have taken rice flour, 1/4 cup. Corn flour, 2 tablespoons. Chickpea flour, 4 tablespoons. Now mix everything together and add salt to taste. And using little water at a time, I'm going to make a thick and smooth batter. So the crispiness is really important here. So I haven't added any spices into the batter of the patty because here everything else is very spicy. So the patty, I'm trying to keep it a little mild so that it balances the taste. So our batter is ready. Now here I have cut brinjals or eggplants into roundels. You can see there I have cut them really thin. So cover the eggplant from the batter on both sides and fry until they turn crispy. So a crispy eggplant patty is ready. Now let's move towards making the buns. So here I have taken 2 burger buns and I'm going to slit them from the middle. Just the way you do while making your regular burgers. And now I'm going to heat a tawa and add some butter into it. I'm going to toast these burger buns from both sides until they turn crispy, of course. So the burger buns are ready. Next, I'm going to add some more butter into the tawa and going to caramelize my onions because I like my onions to be little caramelized as it enhances the sweetness and the flavor. But you can also use raw onions. It's totally up to you until you're okay with a bad breath afterwards. So the onions have been caramelized. Now next, let's move towards assembling the burger. So I'm going to apply the Szechuan chutney first over both the sides of the buns. Now on one side of the burger, I'm going to add the bharta, spread it evenly. Top it up with caramelized onions, some thinly sliced tomatoes, followed by our crispy eggplant patty. Sprinkle some black pepper and some black salt on top, followed by our Bhurani inspired mayo sauce. And finally cover the burger and enjoy. So our amazing Bangan Bharta inspired burger is ready to devour, and I'm sure you're going to love this recipe because once you try it, you got to try this recipe. It tastes amazing, and until you try this, you are definitely not going to know what you are missing out. So do try this recipe, and for more such amazing locally inspired international recipes, subscribe to The Fusion Theory because Desi is always delicious. Remember that.